Hello everyone, how are you? In our last class, we come to know about the use of a and the use of an. We also come to know that a and an begins with a and an are used before those singular countable nouns which first letter is consonant and vowel respectively. But in today's class we shall come to know that there are certain singular countable nouns which begins with a consonant but they sound like a vowel. Simultaneously, there are some such words which begins with a vowel but they sound like consonant. So here I am going to start for you this video. Here you can see on the top of this whiteboard, with the help of this one, I am going to make you understand. So let's start. This is determiners part 3. In determiners part 3, use of an, and in this section we shall come to know the concept of vowel sound. Only vowel sound. We shall discuss about the consonant sound in our next video, which is part 4. Okay? Now start. Concept of vowel sound. Here with the help of some note, there are some singular countable nouns which begins with a consonant but sounds like a vowel. There are some singular countable nouns which begins with a consonant but sounds like a vowel. So what are those words and which kind of letter we are talking about? Here one note is there, H followed by O sounds like A. When there will be H in the beginning and after this there will be O, and if it will sound like A or A, we shall use an before such singular countable noun. So here we are going to start with example. See, an hour, an honest man, an honorable man. So here you are watching, my dear, hour. Here it is H and it is being followed by O. It is producing the sound of a, hour. That's why an is here. In the second one example, an honest man, H consonant, it is being followed by O and it is producing the sound of a. That's why an honest man. In the same way, honorable man, H followed by O. That's why an honorable man. Apart from this, we shall also talk about some consonants which first sound is like a vowel. Those are 8 consonants. C, F, H, L, M, N, R, S and X. These are F, H, L, M, N, R, S and X. These are 8 consonants which first sound is like a vowel. Here with the help of plus plus I have tried to make you understand. F, A plus F, H, A plus H, L, A plus L, M, A plus M, N, A plus N, R, A plus R, S, A plus S, X, A plus KS. So these are some consonants which first sound is like a vowel. That's why when any short name will begin with such consonants, we shall use and before them. So here with some example, I have tried to make you understand. And FO, F, and NCC officer, and MA, and SHO, and LNO, and HOD, and MLA. So here FO, NCC, MA, SHO, LNO, HOD, MLA, these are those short names which first letter is either F or H, L, M, N, R, S or X. So we have come to know these 8 kinds of consonant which first letter is like a vowel. First sound is like a vowel. These are 8. F, H, L, M, N, R, S and X. These are 8 consonants. So if any short name will begin with such consonant letters, we shall use an. I hope you understand this video very well. Thank you for watching it and wait for my next video. Till then, bye.